Hello YouTube, this is Aunt Simone coming in on what is in your refrigerator tag. Exactly. So check it out. We're gonna go over here. I see the camera pausing as usual. Okay, y'all, this is the freezer. Got some ice cream. It's kind of bare up in here because I need some more stuff, but y'all can see I got I got some Klondike bars here. Alright. I got Marie calendars. I got Papa Special. And some more of Marie calendars. Oops. Let me wait till the camera stop pausing because, ooh. So that's what you see so far. I got some of these pretzel breads from Lean Pocket. Them is good. So I need to try that. And what else we got down here? We got some more pretzel bread, hot dogs. And we got some of them. Y'all know these rally fries. Y'all know I got to show that. And we got some of that. Coastal kielbasa. I got some mini egg rolls. White meat chicken. And down here we have Tyson Southern chicken breast. Ooh. Low rally fries. I got steak. Yeah. And as you can see, that Delights. Jimmy Dean. That's like an egg McMuffin with ham. Put this back up in here. I'm rambling on. Okay. Yeah. Got some straw ice cream butter pecan. My uncle making me laugh. We got some beef patty ballpark. Excuse me, y'all. You know, hamburger patties. Good. And so far, that's what we got over here in the freezer selection. Now, okay, moving along, we're gonna go over in the refrigerator selection. We got some. I got some honey ham. Some pickles back there. Oop, a glass of orange juice nobody finished. Some Hawaiian punch. Y'all can see mustard. Okay. Mayo. Ranch. Oops. We got some cheese down here. You know, miscellaneous, more ham. Ooh. And other molasses and some things down here. Butter. Need some more of that. But basically, that's about it. I gotta do some more shopping. So stay tuned. That was my tag. I'm about random. Peace out, y'all.
Peace, nothing. Just some grass.
There go my uncle. As you heard, the commentator in the background.
Just the truth. Get some growth.
I'm out, y'all.